Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will learn how to use GitHub Desktop. It's a desktop application which makes it too easy to work with Git and GitHub repositories. So GitHub Desktop provides us the same features and it has the same capabilities as we can have with Git command line. In our last video we had learned how to install and configure Git on our Windows operating system, and also how to set up our GitHub account. So if you have not set up your account, you can just watch my previous video. So let's just get started. So the very first step would be to go to your browser, type desktop.github.com, and over there you just need to download the application. It's a 109 MB application, so it would probably take a couple of minutes. And once it's downloaded, so let's get installed. So as you can see, installation has started. The installation is pretty quick, and this is the interface. What do you see? So from here you can either sign in to your GitHub account, or you can create your free account if you don't have one. So I'm going to sign in into my GitHub account. As I am already logged in into my account, so it's asking me to authorize the desktop application. I'm going to authorize, entering my password. Once the authentication process is complete, so this is the interface for the GitHub Desktop application. There's a couple of things we can do from here. We can create a new repository on our hard drive, and that's actually we're gonna do. We can clone a repository from the internet, or if we already have a project on our hard drive, we can simply add it to the GitHub Desktop application. So now we want to create a new repository, so let's just select this option. We have to provide a repository name. I'm going to name it as GitHub Desktop Demo. And if you want to enter a description, you can do so. I'm going to save this file. Let's see GitHub folder, and initialize this repository with the readme file. And if you want to add a git ignore file, you can do so, but for the time being I'm not adding any file. Same thing with the license. So create repository. As you can see, so we have created this repository on my C GitHub directory, and over here you can see we are in that directory. So now if I go there into that directory and create another file, first file, right? Now we can see this file over here and having a plus sign in green color, meaning that this file has been added to our source code but has not been committed yet. So if you want to commit this file, you can enter the comments here. And commit to our main branch. As you can see here, main branch is selected. So that file has been committed. We want to see over here. So let me open that file. And if you want to make any changes in this file, like suppose you want to write something, hello world, right? Save it. And if you come back to your GitHub Desktop, now you can see that green color has turned into red, meaning that we have some changes into this file. So same way, if you want to commit this file, so you can write whatever comment you want, like first file updated, right? So commit. So now as you can see, we don't have any more changes. That first file changes have been committed. So now if you want to publish that repository onto GitHub, So for that you have to publish a repository and you have to sign in into your GitHub account. So now I'm connected to my GitHub account. So if you press over here like publish repository, so that's the name of the repository, description if you want to give any, and then publish repository. As you can see here, so that repository from our local system has been published onto the GitHub online account. So you can view that repository on GitHub like by either clicking here, or you can just go to your GitHub account. So let me click over here. So as you can see, that's the file we had added, first file.txt. If you just click it, you will see the changes. So if I want to add another file, right, second file, from local repository. So now as you can see, the second file is there which has not been committed yet. So first step would be to commit this file. So whatever command you want to put over here, commit to main. In the same way, now you have to push the file to the origin. Now it has been committed, so you can push it to the origin. So it's done. If you come over here to your GitHub account, just refresh the page. So now you will see that second file is there, and if you click over there, you will see your changes are there in that file. So you can see that we have moved our local repository onto our GitHub account. Now if you want to create another branch based on this main branch, so just click over here and then create new branch. You can put whatever name you want, like, right, create new branch. Now we have two branches, main and bug fix, right? So we are in this branch right now, bug fix. This bug fix branch has been created onto our local system. It has not been published yet, so if you want to publish, you can just publish it. So that branch has been published onto our GitHub account. So over here you can see we only had one branch, but if you refresh it, now we have two branches, right? Now if I want to make changes in one of those branch, I suppose for the bug fix branch, so like as you can see here in GitHub Desktop, I'm on my bug fix branch. And if you go over here, show and explore, so these are your files. So open one of the files, making changes from bug fix branch, right? Save it, and as you can see here, so second file text over there we had made some changes, and it's showing you what changes we have made. So this line we had added, right? So now first step is we have to commit it. Right, commit to the bug fix branch. And now we have to push it to the origin, to GitHub account, either by clicking over here or you can click over here. So push origin. So changes have been pushed to the account. So as you can see here, let me refresh the page. So as you can see here, if you open this file does not have any changes, right? Because the changes we had made, they were in the bug fix branch. So let me go to the bug fix branch. So now you can see in bug fix branch in the second file text, so this is the change we had made, right? So now as you can see, now we have two branches. One is bug fix and other is main. Bug fix has more changes, is more updated, but the main does not have those changes. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna compare and pull request to merge these changes. As you can see, this was the comment we had given while we had made those changes in the bug fix branch in the second file. So we are able to merge, like there are not any issues or conflicts. Just simply create pull request to merge the branches, or if you want to leave a comment, we can do so over here. I can make a create pull request from here, or I can go to GitHub Desktop or make that request from here. It's up to you, your choice. So let me pull the request. So as you can see, this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. So we can merge pull request. So if you want to change the comment here, right, confirm merge. So now our pull request has been successfully merged and closed, right? Now let me go back to the GitHub Desktop. So if you see here, you can also push here, pull from here, or remove a branch. If you want to see on GitHub, you can just click over here. So you can see your repository on the GitHub account. Same way, like if you want to remove your repository, you can do it over here. You can see your repository in the Explorer, like it would open your local branch on your system, or you can open in external editor, or you have all those options, right? If you want to delete that branch, you can do so over here. You go to the branch option, and then you have that option to delete the branch. And you can also merge it, or compare, or create pull request. You have all those options, right? So now let me show you how to delete the branch. You can just go here, delete, and delete branch bug fix. So just click yes, delete the branch, and simply delete it. So if you come here, you can see that you only have one branch, right? So same way, if you want to delete your repository, you can just delete it from here by clicking this option, remove. So let me remove it. So now we have deleted our repository. So this is the way we create our repository, and then we saw that we have added files into our repository, and then created another branch, and have moved our repository onto GitHub Desktop account. We also saw that how to merge the branches, how to delete the branch, and how to delete the repository. Alright. So in our next video, we will see how to add an existing repository from our hard drive or from our system onto the GitHub Desktop, and how to clone a repository from the internet. So till that time, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Take care.